Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I look about the same as I did yesterday because I worked from home, so I didn't have to be presentable today. So I'm in like my big t-shirt and shorts, and it is wonderful. That's the best part about working from home, is that you can just do whatever. So I'm still rocking two different kind of hands, and I think I want to add some diamonds there too, or Swarovski crystals. I can never say that right. I always feel like I sound like an Indian. Swarovski. Yeah, it don't work that well. So, well, I do have some vlogs back. I don't think I am going to post those. I'm probably just gonna delete them, because let me see what my last vlog was. 18th to the 22nd of last month. So, oh, yep, okay. And I have until the 31st, but I only have like 3 clips. Granted, they're longer clips for sure. But I don't know, I just feel like since my update, like everything has changed since I've like updated, like did these, does that make sense? So I think I'm just gonna wipe this guy. So clean him. And then these are the last couple days of vlogs, which I'm gonna go ahead and upload. So I'm going to edit those. Okay, so I actually came up here to film this. However, I even have some vlogs on here. Because like I said, I had every intent of vlogging, and then I got a burst of energy and I was like, yes, I can vlog again. And then it went away. So I am going to, yeah, I even have some from the 4th of this month, but I think I'm gonna scrap it. I know, I don't think you guys will be too mad because I'm so out of that I really don't think you guys will care. So I'm gonna go 22nd to yesterday, and today is the 25th. So yeah, I'm going to edit this and I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, finished my nails. They look so naked compared to like the super bright ones I had before, but I love them a lot. See, is it showing now? Yeah, like, although I'm still trying to get used to that square shape again, but like far away it looks cute. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm going to go make dinner. I'm gonna go make some fire corn to put in some quesadillas. I'm real excited. And I think that vlog, oh no, it's processing. So it's processing, it's thinking about it. So I hope everyone's understanding of why I've kind of been gone. I'm assuming they will be. But also on my nail channel, I have to post a video. So again, I think I have that haul I have to film, 2 hauls I have to film. 1 haul I have to film, 1 is filmed, so I need to edit that. And then I have the Pride nails before, which I didn't know was Pride, but it was Pride month. So I was like, okay, well, they'll just be Pride nails. And then these that I just filmed. So yeah, but I'm gonna deal with that later, even though technically the nail stuff is what I came up to do, and spur the moment that I decided to post why I've been gone in my vlog. So that's a little nerve-wracking. Oh, wish me luck. Oh, I just put oil all over my face. So yeah, I will see you guys later. All right, so it is 10 o'clock and I didn't even edit that other video. I was downstairs. We ate, well, I made dinner, and then we ate, we watched Jeopardy because we're losers, okay? And then, what else? We watched the 5th episode of Chernobyl, I think is what we're on. Or there's only 5 and we watched 4. I think we watched episode 4. Oh my God, that series. I had Mike like look up, sorry, I had Mike look up like how bad it was, and it was really bad. Like I knew they would like dramatize things for the show, but it was like really intense for me. And it's not because, you know, things going on. It's like I don't do well with things like that. Anything that could be real life, and this literally was real life. So it was very hard for me to watch, especially the first 2 episodes. Episode 3, because we watched the first 2, and then we watched episode 3, and it was still pretty hard to watch, but it was like better. Episode 4 was a little boring to me. There were like actual things I could not watch. I don't want to give any spoilers away, so if you have HBO, watch it. And then I think there's only 5 episodes, either 5 or 6. I don't know how they wrap up the story in one more episode, but I guess they can. And so that is the last episode, I think. But it's an intense like mini series. I don't know how many episodes there are, so yeah, I could be lying, could be 6. But oh man, actually I can look right here. I have my phone. But if you definitely have HBO, definitely watch it. Has anyone watched Big Little Lies? I haven't watched that. Nope, there's 5 episodes. And yeah. Hi Demi. So I'm actually gonna jump in the shower and then go to bed. And then get up and go to work tomorrow. And do lots of work tomorrow. Although I think the change I had to do got canceled. And thankfully, oh my goodness. Oh, sorry, I am not going downtown to remove any of the, I just realized I was really close to the camera, even though I'm a hot mess. Any of the servers from our production, I'm so happy. So, cause I told my boss I'm pregnant or whatever, and he was, this before I went down with him to production to put in and take some stuff out, and that's fine. Like, I'm not gonna play like I can't do anything, especially like this is my job, like to do things like that. So it's like, it didn't bother me. But it got like really heavy, because I'm not working out because of like the miscarriage and just like my own insecurities about that. So, and I had no energy, like literally zero. I explained that in the like coming back vlog. And so now I don't have to go do them because I am. And it was funny, my coworker's like, oh, I thought it was just gonna be my turn. And I was like, nope. And he's like, and then I realized you were pregnant. And no, it's because you're pregnant, that's why you're not going. Because I always go with my boss to do the production work. Like, I'm just always the one that goes. And it's just so funny because he's like, oh, I thought it was like, you know, my turn to like do the sacrifice thing. And then we realized, we're like, no, definitely not. So yeah, but I'm gonna jump in the shower and it's 10 o'clock. I didn't need to wait this long. It's 10:15. Not that you can see that. So yeah. All right, I'm wrapping up this vlog here because I'm tired. I'm not gonna vlog after I shower, even though I'd be much more presentable after I shower. Sorry guys, you get me in real life, and I'm sure when I have this child, I'm gonna see a lot like this. It's fine. Oh yeah, hiccups now. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. All right. Okay, I promise you, I'll leave you. Have a good night. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday of some date. I don't know what it is. We are about to go out for my friend's birthday. It is almost 3:30, I think, so. Making a mess of things already. Although a little water helping my rings get on. It's not a bad thing, yeah. I don't know how much longer. Let's see. I mean, I'm okay for now. I just also, there's a lot of water on there, but it's going to be tough. Especially in the summertime since my hands will sweat. Yeah. Okay, cleaned the kitchen, did some laundry, did all that good stuff already. Forgot to film it, I'm sorry. And then I took a nap because I used all my teaspoons that I had. And now, if I took a nap, I mean I laid in bed for like 20 minutes to an hour. No, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. And then I did laundry, and then I showered, and then now we're here. So I think I'm holding everybody up, so yeah. All right, guys, sorry for the quick update, but figure I'll show you. I do get presentable still every once in a while. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday night and it's pretty late. I think it's after 10. I can't sleep. But what else is new? It has gotten worse with this whole, you know, pregnancy thing. So yeah, I am cleaning up my mess from my nails because I didn't do that forever ago. But literally all I'm doing is just like shoving it away. Not doing anything special with that. That's the good stuff. The good thing, oops, missed the trash, about gel is that it's pretty easy to clean up because you don't like actually clean your brushes. You just take a lint-free wiper. Technically, the wipes I use are advertised as lint-free. They're not. So if you've watched any of my tutorials, you will probably have seen me definitely pull some lint off my nails. I do have some from Light Elegance that are lint-free and they are awesome, but I just haven't used them all. These are my pride and joy. These are all Swarovski crystals. I can never say that. Swarovski? Swarovski? I can't spell it either. You should see me trying to deal with that. That's light in my hair? No. It wouldn't surprise me though. So I put crystal on my nails. But I have some really pretty colors. I just like never wear them anymore. I know, life is so boring. So I have like my real ones in one, and then I have the ones I bought off AliExpress in another. So that goes away. And I want to do a tour of my nail stuff because someone requested it on my nail channel, but I haven't had time to. They requested about a week ago, I want to say, and I really want to do it. I'd love to do it before I go out of town, if I'm being honest. That way I can have like some more content for you guys on that channel. But the hard thing is that I have a couple more reviews to post. I have this nail tutorial that I filmed, was it last week? Yeah, I guess technically since we're Sunday, even though it's like 10 o'clock, we're in a new week. Durr. Yeah. So that's all that's really happening. Yesterday was fun. We went out for my friend's birthday, which you would have seen, I think, literally a 1-minute vlog from that. And that was, I think, me ready, I want to say. But there was something else. I feel like there's something I need to tell y'all. No, I don't remember. I'm going out of town Tuesday, probably Wednesday. If we leave Wednesday, I'm hoping we can leave like super early. That way we can get a lot of the day actually in Florida. We're going to visit his family in Florida. But yeah, I think I'm gonna film a plan with me. Who am I? I know, but I miss planning. I have energy again, so it's like I want to do things. So yeah, Okay, that's all for now. I will see you guys probably later because again, I'm not tired. Problems. Just filmed my first plan with me back. So pretty. Yeah, it's crazy. I was going to back plan last week, but I was like, well, I kind of want to plan this week. So I plan this week. I still need to do the pen, which always ruins the spread. So I just like to look at it pre-pen. Maybe me. All right, now I'm gonna go to bed. It's almost 11 o'clock, even though I'm tired, but I'm not like that tired. So wish me luck. I might take a Benadryl because I didn't sleep at all last night. And the night before, I think it was like 12 to 5. So I'm running on nothing.